Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new X-Lord from Season 10. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of his head first. So we're just going to draw one line straight across. And then on the corners it's going to be a little bit angular. So we're going to come down on both sides. And then now we're just going to come straight down for the side of his head. Now it's very strange. Alright, and then on the bottom here we're going to come in a little bit more. And then we'll just close that off. Alright, so that's going to be the overall head shape. And then now let's add in the little details inside. So right here, same thing here, we just come down, make another line. And then we'll slant down again. So this is the top of the, I guess the face mask area. And then right here on the side, we'll just go straight out. Alright, and then on the bottom here, whatever line you have here, just come up and draw another one, same thing. And then from this corner, we'll just slant it out. Alright, so now let's go ahead and connect some lines. So right here on this corner, we're going to connect to this corner. Okay, so this corner to this corner. And then now let's add one more. So from this corner, just kind of come in, just slant it down to the bottom here. I know this part's a little bit tricky. Alright, so once we have that, now we can draw in the holes on the face mask. So right on the top here, I'm just going to draw two. I know there's more, but I'm going to draw a little bit less, just to simplify it. And then on the bottom right here, in the center, I'm going to draw one more. And I'm just going to shade it in, since it's so easy with a Sharpie. Alright, and then on the side here, just come to the side, just come down a little bit more. Draw another circle. So come across and come down. And then on the bottom here, I'll just add one more. Alright, and then for the rest of the details here, it's one stripe in the middle. And then in here, well actually, you know what, let's draw the horns on the outside first. So right here, just draw one big angle going up. So it's little spikes. Okay, and then there's gonna be two more in here. So for this one inside, just draw two little curves like this first. That's gonna be the base. And then for this corner here, just draw a little angle. So it makes it look like it's in perspective. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad hopefully. So now let's continue on with the body, and the body is a lot easier to draw. So let's start out with the collar here. Nice and wide, just come down. And then right here in the center, just come down first, straight down, and then we'll connect that. Hopefully the same slant as this, but if it's not, it's okay too. Okay, so that's gonna be the collar. And then for the shoulder, we'll start here. We'll slant it down and out, make it nice and wide. We'll come in. This is gonna be the armpit. Armpit's right here. And then we'll go all the way down. This is gonna be where his waist gonna be. Okay, and then now we're gonna go back on the inside. So for the inside is a little bit longer. We're gonna continue this line. Just go past this. Go all the way down. And then from this corner here, just come across. And then whatever space you have here, curve it, close it off. Alright, so that's his jacket, and let's go back up and finish up the the details. So right on the shoulder here, right in the middle, just draw one line coming down. And then go into the collar. Okay, and it's got two more spikes here, so these are easy. Okay, and then on the inside here, we'll finish up the inside of the collar. Just gonna draw two lines. Okay, and then from the armpit, just slant in toward the center. So these are just details on the jacket. And then one more here. Just slant out toward the arms, or the shoulder. Alright, so now we can draw in the arms. So again, here's the armpit. So here's the shoulder, and this one's gonna be a little bit straighter. Looks like a tight leather jacket. So we're gonna come down like this. This is gonna be his elbow. Armpit, just come in. And add a couple of lines like this. This is gonna be for the fold on his jacket. Okay, and then for here, the lower arm, we're just gonna continue it. Come down all the way here. Close it off and then add in one little line here. Okay, and then for his fist, come in with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Just come down, round it, and close it off. Alright, so now same thing on the other side. So here's the armpit again. You can add a little line like this because it actually makes it look like a fold. Alright, and then here's the shoulder. Coming down. Armpit. Come down, and again, let's add some lines. Just continue the curve all the way down. Close it off in one little line. And now same thing for the fist. Inside here, little hook. Back of the fist, round it, close it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the upper body. So now let's continue on with the legs. Well, it's got a little shirt kind of overhangs right here. So start right here. Just come straight down first. And then we'll round it off on the bottom. And I think there's another one, so we have to draw one more line on the inside. Alright, so now we can draw in his legs. So right here, it's gonna be his hip or his thigh. So start right on the inside of the jacket. It's gonna be a little bit straighter as well. So here's the middle. Just come over, come down and close it off. So that's his thigh. And then for his knee, which is extended, little rectangle and then one line across for the knee pads. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So here's this jacket. Just come in a little bit, slant down. Again, here's the middle. Come across and close it off. Little rectangle again for the knee pads. Okay, and then again, his legs a little bit skinnier and straighter. Just wearing those tighter clothes. So we'll flare out, curve, and this one's straight down. And then here, just close it off with a slight curve going up. Okay, so he's got those boots right here, and this little flap is kind of big. So we're gonna round it out like this first, and then we'll close it off with another one of these curves going up. And once you have that right here, just come down, and then this side, just come out. It's a little bit flatter, and then we'll close it off. All right, so yeah, so this part's a little bit tricky right there. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Now flare out. This one's gonna curve straight down, curve up, and then we'll just continue that curve And again, close it, going up. For the boot shoe, just go straight down and then come out and close it. And then for the details here, I'm just gonna draw one line across. And on the top of the shoe here, I'm just gonna draw a little arc. So just follow this curve, let's go all the way around. All right, and it's got some patterns right here. So this one's easy, right in the middle. I'm just gonna draw two lines like this first. So right in the middle. And then from the corners here, I'm just gonna slant everything out. So those are gonna be like two bars. So same thing here. Just slant it out. Alright, and then lastly it's got some straps and little pouches on the side here. So right on the side of his thigh right here, I'm just gonna draw a little pouch. And then let's just add in a little strap right here. And then this side, little strap going up. And let's add a little flap for the pouch here. So just curve it, just go out. Okay, so same thing here, it's got a smaller one. And then we just add a strap here. And then probably one more right here going up. And that is it for this new Explorer from Season 10. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.